Hello everyone, let's trace out a circle and cut it out. Do the same, make one another circle and now fold the circle into half like this and make a spiral on the smaller circle. Now take two strips, make the eyes like this, stick it on the semicircle. The snail is ready. Now take a paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Just follow each and every step. Use the scissors to cut the strips like this and now stick it as if you are making a cone. Now make the tongue and the fins like this. This is a fish. Now make the two eyes like this. Take a sheet of paper like this and make cylinder out of it of different size. Now stick them together as shown. Now make the leg like this. Take a piece of paper, add the eyes and make the beak. Now add the hands of the cute little duck like this. Wow, it is so cute. Take a sheet of paper and make a cone out of it like this. Cut the extra part like this and take a green chart. Cut it into strips like this, making the head of the carrot like this. You can roll it. Now spread it out and stick it onto the carrot. Make the eyes and the details like this. Thanks for watching.